Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and God has blessed me with another day and you being here, so I am thankful. Today on Cooking with Neighbors, I'm going to be making a pot roast in the slow cooker. Oven's still not working. We're going to get a new one because the quote was $750 to fix it. It's like, no thanks. So anyhow, we're going to go get a new stove. So today I'm doing a nice pot roast that I hope that you're going to enjoy. I think you will, actually. So I'm going to tell you down and show you some of the veggies. I'm going to be putting 3 carrots in. I'm going a little bit more than, you know, Casey and Graham like seconds. So 3 carrots. I'm going to go with like 6-7 potatoes. Onion, and I'm going to do half of that turnip. Also, I'll be putting in a tomato with the sauce that I'm putting in, and it's going to be delicious. So yeah, stick around here. So I'm going to get started on peeling these. I hope that your days are going well. It's been kind of mild out. We went from really cold to really mild. It's really nice, actually. So I'm going to peel these. And I'm going to cut them, wash them, and I'm going to cut these on an angle. Okay, neighbors, the size of the roast I'm using, you can use a 2.5 pound, but I'm using about 3.5 because, like I say, my guys like a little extra. And I'm going to tilt you down and show you the roast, show you how I'm preparing it before I put it in the slow cooker. So I picked these roasts up at Costco. Okay, anyway, I bought them at Costco. I'm going to put some, I'm going to wash that off now because I touched it. And I touched the roast. I'm going to put some sea salt. And I am going to flour them a little bit. Press some flour in. So neighbors, now that football season is over, and I like posting on Sundays, and hopefully you enjoy watching on Sundays, I'm going forward with Sunday suppers. So yeah, going forward I'm going to be doing Sunday suppers, and Thursdays I'll be doing just miscellaneous styles of cooking, just all kinds of different stuff, and once in a while, another day during the week, if there's a collaboration or something. So all my veggies. Oh my, Jerry always makes a lot. Okay, all my veggies, and I'm hoping everything fits. I'm going to salt and pepper them. Oh, you want to know what else I want to put in here? I want to put in celery. 1 second. Okay, so I washed and sliced up some celery. I like the flavor they add. I have to have them in. Is that recording? Yes, thank goodness. Now, some salt. and some pepper to taste. Just a little bit because I'll be doing it at the end too. I diced up that tomato. I'm going to nestle hopefully these roasts in there with their juices. Wash my hands. The sauce. Can of condensed tomato soup. A nice roasted garlic in this would be beautiful into the sauce, but I did not do this morning. A teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, a teaspoon of dried basil, a little more than a teaspoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of, you can use chopped garlic, roasted garlic. This is minced garlic. Half a cup of water. Okay, neighbors, we are back. And after 8 to 10 hours on low, which we went with the low setting for about 9 hours or so, and it's been on the keep warm for a half hour because we were busy. However, if you want to cook it faster, you can cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours. I like cooking roasts and meats and stuff in the slow cooker on low because I find that they end up coming out tasting better. Anywho, enough chit chat there, Jerry. Let's show the results. It looks great. Now, might need a little bit more salt or pepper. Maybe, let's see how the seasoning was for this. Let's see. Look at this. That looks really good. And look, really tender. Like, mega tender. Okay. Let's pick up a plate. Pick up a couple of plates because it's time for us to eat our supper. Okay, neighbors, so we're getting ready to have a seat here, including Jerri-ellen. And yeah, let's give a little tasty poo here. No Jerri-ellen. So the meat is nice and tender. Let's have a taste. A little bit more pepper for my liking, but we'll add that. Very good. And yeah, peace, love, God bless. Tender and delicious. Like, share, subscribe, and make this.